This backyard oasis features a pool framed by lush greenery and vibrant flowers. A wooden table with magazines sits nearby, while white walls and tall trees ensure a serene atmosphere. A long, narrow pool is nestled among flowering plants and stone walkways. Beige cushioned chairs and a wooden table offer a tranquil spot to relax under the arches of a white villa. This cozy patio boasts a beige couch, wooden coffee table, and a full dining set. Potted plants and a wooden fence frame the stone floors, creating a peaceful and inviting sanctuary. Patterned cushions rest on a wooden bench atop a terracotta patio. Surrounded by tropical potted plants and set against a white wall, the scene is bathed in warm, golden sunlight. Blue and gold patterned cushions adorn a wooden bench on this terracotta patio. Silvery green foliage in matching pots creates a relaxing vibe against the white walls and blue sky. This bright patio features a beige couch, twin coffee tables, and a large dining area under an umbrella. String lights and lush greenery add a charming touch to the stone floors. A white couch with blue pillows and a wicker chair create a cozy retreat under a wooden pergola. Potted ferns and stone paving complete this sunny, garden-inspired living space. This peaceful courtyard features a three-tiered fountain surrounded by lush orange trees in pots. Tables and chairs wait in the background under a clear, bright, and blue sky. Vibrant blue and yellow tiles pave this courtyard, where a central fountain sits near yellow flowers. Guests enjoy the Mediterranean-style architecture and the warm, sunny day. A white couch and wooden dining set anchor this private patio. Enclosed by a wooden fence and lush shrubs, the space is a calm, tranquil setting for any cozy social gathering. Striped pillows decorate a white couch and wicker chair on the stone patio. Sun streams through the large windows of the house, highlighting the beautiful potted ferns nearby. A wooden coffee table sits between two wicker chairs with light blue cushions. Stone slabs and a wooden fence frame this bright outdoor space, which is filled with green plants. This rectangular pool is flanked by hydrangeas and white lounge chairs. Palm trees and white buildings frame the clear blue water, creating a perfect, sun-drenched tropical escape. A white couch with blue pillows and a striped armchair create a comfortable outdoor lounge. Potted plants and stone paving are illuminated by light from a large nearby window. Ripe fruit hangs from orange trees surrounding a stone fountain in this bright courtyard. Paved with stone tiles, the area offers a perfect spot for dining under the open sky.